Okay, here we are. It's Saturday, September 4th. I went ahead and I've got the um, we've got all that square framing off there, off the inside of the boat, that aluminum framing that I've decided I was going to get rid of that. And then we're going to take and I pulled out that one stringer, just the front half of it. Just go ahead and get that out. And start working on that. And I'll try not to move around too much. I'm working on getting that pad out right now that the fuel tank sat on. And see, you can still see we've got water in the boat here. Even though I've got all this buoyancy foam chipped out and hauled out, it still is got water in here. So I'm sure I'm going to take and drill a hole here in the through that bulkhead to see if I can't just run it through the other side. I kept scraping on the foam thinking that there was going to be something there for it to leak through. I mean, I can see here where people over the years have drilled holes in this boat. Right there, and of course right there was that big rotten spot. But I'm going to, hold on, let me stop here for a minute. Okay, these stringers here are keyed, and I mean the bulkhead and the stringers. And what they've done is the stringer comes up through, and then they've kind of like channeled the bulkhead down in half. They've cut halfway up on one, half on the other. And they've hooked those together like that. I'll see what the condition of that one is. I mean, I could do that, but I would have to take them all out. And as you can see, even getting that framing out was just a major undertaking. So, and like I said, I'm going to clean this up back there. Also, that talking to the people today when I bought the resin, that they told me that I definitely wanted to key those stringers back there. So basically, I put my flat boards on my transom and then come in with enough boards to where you have to actually cut out for the stringer to key into that board. And then they showed me how to use the woven to put in there and make a special lock, so that will hold that. So anyhow, you know, right or wrong, I'm trying, and I'm going to keep working on this for a few hours more. It's only 5 o'clock, so, and when I get done today, I'll go ahead and give you a touch base on where we're at. Thanks. Okay, well, I didn't get much more done. I'm getting tired. I'm going to call it a night. Like I said, I went ahead and got the bilge pump all pulled out and put up out of the way. I'm getting tired. I've got all the buoyancy foam picked out. I started working on removing this stringer, and I got all that removed out where the fuel tank goes, so I can start building that pad. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just tear everything out, get all my tear out done, and then when I put my suit on, I'm going to come in here and grind everything, get it ready for fiberglass. I might even wait until I get my stringers and stuff. Well, I have to grind some, but what I'm thinking is I'll get everything made, and then I'm not really going to grind until I'm ready to start glassing everything back, because I only really want to do that once. Once I put the Trivex suit on and all that, and the mask to put the grind in, I really am not looking forward to that. But when I do that, I'm going to take in, I hope I want to get all the grinding done at one time, or like the 99% of it. So I talked to the fiberglass people today on whether or not to grind that back there, or if I should just leave it alone and go back over it. They basically told me the smooth areas just grind, but the places where you can see the glass mat, do not grind that. Just go ahead and start gelling over that. And and get it all fixed up, like over in that left corner where it needs some work, and kind of get that fixed, put a fresh glass mat over top of it before we start adhering to it after we're done, after I get it leveled up on the inside to where it's all nice and not smooth but all one level, and then we'll take and put a fresh glass mat on there, and then I'll put my first piece of marine grade plywood on. I think I am going to go with the marine grade for this. I mean, you know, if I do a very good quality hard plywood, it's going to be $50 a sheet. If I do marine grade plywood, it's going to be $80. So for $30, I mean, for the $60 saved, and I'm not really planning on getting rid of the boat or anything, so for $60 one way or the other, and we're already gone this far, I might as well go ahead and at least on the transom put the marine grade. Alright, well, I'm going to call it evening, go ahead and get cleaned up, and I'll probably try to get some tomorrow, and I'll keep you posted. Talk to you later.